simple tips to manage acidity without antacids. So acidity, heartburn, burning in the chest, bloating after food sounds familiar. Most of us quickly pop an antacid, right? But do you know frequent use of an antacid can actually mask the problem instead of solving it? Yes. So why acidity happens I'm explaining this in simple terms. Acidity happens when stomach acid, which is supposed to digest food, flows back into the food pipe. Now the acid is not our enemy. We actually need it for our digestion. The real issue is when it comes at the wrong time in the wrong place. So for example, eating a heavy oily dinner at 11 p.m. and then lying down immediately in the bed, acidity is guaranteed. Or if you are skipping meals all day and then suddenly you are overeating in the evening, then acidity again. So even simple habits like drinking too much tea or coffee on an empty stomach can trigger it. So what you can do to manage this acidity without taking antacids. So here are some simple lifestyle solutions to manage acidity naturally without depending on antacids. So first is eat small frequent meals. Don't keep your stomach empty for too long and don't overload it at once. For example, instead of 3 giant meals, break it into 5 to 6 small meals. Second is avoid lying down immediately after meal. Give your body at least 2 to 3 hours after your dinner before your sleep. For example, you can take a 10-minute of slow walk after dinner instead of lying down with your phone. Third is hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, but avoid gulping too much of water immediately after the meals. Fourth, know your triggers. Spicy food, too much coffee, cola, alcohol, they are the common culprits. For example, 1 cup of coffee may be fine, but 4 to 5 cups, again, your stomach is going to protest. Fifth is natural soothers. Home remedies can help. For example, a teaspoonful of fennel seeds after meals or a glass of lukewarm water with a pinch of ajwain. Both are soothing. Number 6, stress check. Believe it or not, stress makes acidity worse. Deep breathing, meditation, or even 10 minutes of silence helps. Why not antacids every time? Antacids give quick relief, but they don't treat the root cause. Overuse can even disturb the digestion and mineral absorption. So use them only when they are truly needed, but not as a daily habit. So acidity is your body's way of saying, hey, I need balance. So instead of silencing it with